back to the channel. Today we are covering the questions and answer on Splunk Core Certified User SPLK-1001. To find the complete list of questions and answer, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. Now the question is, in the fields sidebar, which character denotes alphanumeric field values? Options are option A hashtag, option B percentage, option C A, and option D A hashtag. The correct option is option C. Next question is, what is the main requirement for creating visualization using the Splunk UI? Options are option A, your search must transform event data into Excel file format first. Option B, your search must transform event data into XML formatted data first. Option C, your search must transform event data into statistical data tables first, most voted. Option D, your search must transform event data into JSON formatted data first. The correct option is option C. Next question is, what syntax is used to link key or value pairs in search strings? These are the options. Please go through. The correct option is option B. Next question is, what user interface components allows for time selections? Options are option A, time summary, option B, time range picker, option C, search time picker, and option D, data source time statistics. The correct option is option B. Next question is, which of the following searches will return results where fail 400 and error exists in every event? Options are option A, error and fail and 400, most voted. Option B, error or fail and 400. Option C, error and fail or 400. And option D, error or fail or 400. The correct option is option A. Next question is, when placed early in a search, which command is most effective at reducing search execution time? Options are option A, dead up, option B, rename, option C, sort, and option D, fields plus, most voted. The correct option is option D. Next question is, which of the following is the most efficient filter for running searches in Splunk? Options are option A, time most voted, option B, fast mode, option C, source type, and option D, selected fields. The correct option is option A. Next question is, how does Splunk Determine which fields to extract from data. Options are: Option A, Splunk only extract the most interesting data from the last 24 hours. Option B, Splunk only extracts fields users have manually specified in their data. Option C, Splunk automatically extracts any fields that generate interesting visualizations. And option D, Splunk automatically discovers many fields based on source type and key or value pairs found in the data. The correct option is option D. Next question is, which of the following file types is an option for exporting Splunk search results? Options are: Option A, PDF. Option B, JSON most voted. Option C, XLS. And option D, RTF. The correct option is option B. Next question is, what syntax is used to link key or value pairs in search string? These are the options. Please go through. The correct option is option D. Next question is, which search string returns a file containing the number of matching events and names that field event count. These are the options. Please go through. The correct option is option B. Next question is, which search would return events from the access combined source type? Options are: Option A, source type is equal to access combined. Option B, source type is equal to access combined. Option C, source type is equal to access combined most voted. Option C, source type is equal to access combined. The correct option is option C. Next question is, which of the following index searches would provide the most efficient search performance? Options are: Option A, index is equal to star. Option B, index is equal to web or index is equal to S star. Option C, index is equal to web or index is equal to sales most voted. Option D, star, index is equal to sales and index is equal to web star. The correct option is option C. Next question is, what is a suggested Splunk best practice for naming reports? Options are: Option A, reports are best named using many numbers so they can be more easily sorted. Option B, use a consistent naming convention so they are easily separated by characteristics such as group and object. Option C, name reports as uniquely as possible with no overlap to differentiate them from one another. And option D, any naming convention is fine as long as you keep an external spreadsheet to keep track. The correct option is option B. Next question is, in a deployment with multiple indexes, what will happen when a search is run and an index is not specified in the search string? Options are: option A, no events will be returned. Option B, Splunk will prompt you to specify an index. Option C, all non-indexed events to which the user has access will be returned. And option D, events from every index searches by default to which the user has access will be returned. The correct option is option D. Next question is, when looking at a statistics table, what is the one way to drill down to see the underlying events? Options are: option A, creating a pivot table. Option B, clicking on the visualizations tab. Option C, viewing your report in a dashboard. And option D, clicking on the field value in the table most voted. The correct option is option D. Next question is, in the Splunk interface, the list of alerts can be filtered based on which characteristics? Options are: option A, app, owner, severity, and type most voted. Option B, app, owner, priority, and status. Option C, app, dashboard, severity, and type. And option D, app, time window, type, and severity. The correct option is option A. Thank you.